In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to your Wix website. Whether you're setting up a new site or enhancing an existing one, integrating Stripe for seamless payments can greatly enhance user experience and streamline your online business operations. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make this connection happen smoothly. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wix account. This step ensures you're in the right place to manage your website settings. Once logged in, if you happen to manage multiple sites within Wix, go to the website that you specifically want to integrate with Stripe. Selecting the correct website is crucial, as changes are site-specific. Once you've selected your website, you'll be taken to its dashboard. The dashboard is the central hub where you can manage various aspects of your site. From there, you'll look for the Settings option. Click on it to access a variety of site management tools. Now, within the Settings menu, find and click on Accept Payments. This section is where you manage all payment integrations available through Wix. It's specifically designed to help you integrate and manage different payment processors. In this area, you'll need to delve deeper by selecting See More Payment Options. This link will guide you to a more extensive list of payment processing services that Wix supports. The payment settings section is often updated to include the latest tools, so exploring this area periodically can be beneficial. Scroll down towards the bottom part of the page and click on View More under More Third-Party Payment Options. This is a critical step as it reveals additional payment providers that may not be immediately visible in the main settings. Here, you'll spot Stripe listed among the other third-party options. Look for it and click on Connect. At this point, you'll be presented with a set of instructions specifically for linking your Stripe account to your Wix site. Here's what you need to do next. Simply click Connect to be redirected to the Stripe login page. Once you arrive, sign in using your existing Stripe credentials. If you're new to Stripe, you might need to create an account following their straightforward setup process. Once logged in, the connection between your Stripe account and your Wix site will be established automatically. If you encounter any hiccups, such as not finding your credentials or facing connection issues, don't worry. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. They are designed to guide you through any common problems. Once resolved, hit Connect again and the linkage should complete. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Stripe with your Wix website. By connecting these two platforms, you now have a powerful tool for processing payments efficiently and securely. Remember, both Wix and Stripe offer comprehensive support if you need further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy site managing.